All right, so we have some type of stone bowl for the first DIY. Looks like they're using clay for this one. Okay, so she took the clay, cut it up in little balls, and then placed it around a bowl molding. Oh, this is a really unique design. It definitely has a lot of like texture to it. It's really pretty. I feel like this would look great with like some moss in the middle. Very cool. Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. So here we have a bunch of wooden frames. So these, of course, are photo frames, and it looks like they're gluing them together. I actually saw a similar DIY a couple of days ago. I don't know if you guys remember, but this person was making a lantern, and this might be what they are making as well. You could actually use these frames for numerous different projects. A jewelry box would be really cool. Oh, so this is a lantern, but it has kind of like a Christmassy feel to it. Wow, that's beautiful. I can picture this with like some greenery and maybe like a faux candle. That would look really nice. All right, so moving on to the next one, we have some candle holders here that also feature a vase design. So this is a very simple, easy DIY project idea you can tackle. And like I said, you can use these as candle holders or a vase, or both by using the fairy lights and the vase, putting some flowers in there. Oh, this is so pretty. Very cool idea. I would go with like a flicker light if you were gonna use like a candle holder. I think that would be cool. All right, so we have some wooden pieces here. Gluing them together. Oh, wow. Kind of looks like a puzzle. It looks like she's making an artwork piece here. Oh, this is beautiful. Wow. Now, if she would have put this on canvas, I think that would have looked really cool. I mean, this is cool standalone, but on canvas, I don't know. This is just really pretty. Very unique piece. You could spray paint it too if you wanted to. But I actually like the wooden color. I think that looks nice, a natural element. All right, so here we have another frame. It's like they were doing a refresh here, switching out some artwork pieces. I'd call this like naked artwork because it doesn't really have like, I mean, it uses the wall as the background. This is really interesting. Very intriguing piece for sure. Definitely something different. All right, then we have some chargers here. You can pick these up at the dollar store. I actually used quite a bit at my wedding. And then we have a mirror. Oh, this is an easy project. So this is obviously like a mirror design that they're creating here. So it looks like they did several of the same kind of design. And they put some backings on here. Wow. Okay, so they made like a mirror wall. This is cool. It looks like they have silver and gold. I love this idea. Very cool. And like I said, it's a very easy project. I like the gold pumpkins. Alright you guys, I hope you did enjoy checking out all of these DIY ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.